Hello friends, welcome to TechnoSalad. If you are completely frustrated with Windows 10 installing updates automatically, then use the method shown in this video to disable the Windows Auto Updates. There are basically three ways to achieve this. Number 1. Disable automatic updates using services. Number 2. Disable automatic updates using group policy. Number 3. Disable automatic updates using registry edit. First, let's see how to disable automatic updates using services. First, press Windows key plus R to open Run command pop-up. You can even click the search icon next to the Windows icon on the lower left side. Now type services.msc and hit enter. Services window will be opened. Now scroll down and select the Windows Update service from the services list. Double-click this service to open Properties window. Click on the General tab and change the startup type to Disabled. Now click on Apply button and then click on the OK button. Once you make these changes, restart your computer. When you want to re-enable automatic updates, you just follow the same procedure except you select automatic when choosing the startup type. The problem with this method is that the changes will be reverted back after a certain duration of time. So this is not a permanent fix to disable automatic Windows 10 updates. In order to have the permanent fix, we will be using the second method. Let's see how to disable automatic updates using the group policy. You can make changes to the group policy editor if you are using Windows 10 Education, Pro or Enterprise editions. If you are a user of Windows 10 Home Edition, then you cannot use this method to disable Windows 10 updates. If you opt for this solution, security updates will be installed automatically. For all the other updates, you will be notified that they will be available and can be installed them at your convenience. Open the Run command using the Windows plus R key. Type in gpedit.msc and hit enter to open the group policy editor. Select Administrative Templates option available inside Computer Configuration. From Administrative Templates, select Windows Components and then Windows Update. From right-hand pane, select Configure Automatic Updates and double-click on it to open the properties. Here, select the option Disabled and click on Apply button and then click OK button to disable Windows Automatic Updates feature. Method 3. Disable automatic updates using registry. If you are a normal user and don't have much information about registry edit, then we don't recommend the option of disabling automatic updates using registry. This is a dangerous procedure and should only be done by experienced users who have taken the full backup of their machine before attempting the registry changes. Mistakes during this process can have serious negative effects on your computer and its performance. Method 1 and Method 2 works perfectly, so there is no need to make the changes in Windows registry. So we have already provided the steps to block Windows Update from downloading and installing updates on your computer automatically. Hope you liked the video. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to TechnoSalad.